Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log in to Newrez mortgage account. Newrez is a mortgage lender that offers a variety of home loan products and services. They are famous for providing customized home loans, home equity loans, temporary buy-downs, and online account management. To log in and manage your mortgage account, the first thing you'll need to do is to open up a preferred web browser. Now go to the URL box and type in newrez.com and press enter on your keyboard. Doing this will take you to the official site for Newrez. From the main homepage, go ahead and click on the login button at the top right hand corner. You will need to sign into your account in order to manage your mortgage. If you are new to Newrez, and if you've not created an account yet, you will need to go ahead and sign up for a new account. Go to the Start an Application tab and then click on New Purchase and follow through the instructions. To sign into your mortgage account, click on Sign into your account option right next to Newrez. Now, click on Sign into my account once again and you will find yourself in the Sign in area. Go ahead and enter your username in the username text box. After entering your correct username, you can click on the next button. If you've forgotten your username, get help by clicking on Forgot Your Username and follow through the instructions. If you don't have an account yet with Newrez, click on Create a New Account. After entering your credential, click Next, and then you will be prompted to enter your password. Type in your correct password for your account, and then finally click on Sign In, and you will then be able to log into your Newrez mortgage account. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.